The Rich Toolkit Zone work every week. I'll bring to you new celebrity artists, athletes, some of the top people in their fields to give you their insights, their knowledge, and their breakthroughs. So get ready with Muhammad Shams. Make sure to subscribe and comment. Love to see what you're talking about. The Rich Toolkit Zone. Hello and welcome back to Mindful Money Matters. I'm Muhammad Shams, and today we're diving into an often overlooked but hugely significant topic: the impact of healthcare costs on personal finance. For many of us, healthcare expenses can be unpredictable, overwhelming, and a massive strain on our budgets. Whether it's an unexpected medical emergency, the rising cost of insurance premiums, or simply managing routine healthcare needs, these expenses can derail even the most carefully planned financial goals. But fear not. In today's episode, we'll unpack the complexities of healthcare costs, explore strategies to prepare and manage them, and discuss ways to make healthcare more affordable. So, grab a pen and notebook, because this is an episode you won't want to miss. Let's start with some context. According to recent studies, healthcare is one of the most significant expenses for individuals and families in many countries, particularly in the US. On average, a family spends thousands annually on health insurance premiums, out-of-pocket expenses, and prescription drugs. For many, the financial burden of healthcare is a leading cause of stress and even debt. Medical debt can accumulate quickly and has been cited as one of the top reasons for bankruptcy. It's not just about the big emergencies, though. Even routine care, such as dental visits, annual checkups, or physical therapy, can add up over time. This reality makes it clear that managing healthcare costs is not just a healthcare issue. It's a personal finance issue. Now that we've set the stage, let's discuss some practical strategies to safeguard your finances against healthcare costs. Start an emergency fund. First and foremost, having an emergency fund is essential. This fund isn't just for car repairs or unexpected travel expenses. It's also your safety net for medical emergencies. Aim to save 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses, and make healthcare a top priority when planning your emergency fund. Understand your insurance plan. Take the time to fully understand your health insurance plan. Familiarize yourself with key terms like deductibles, co-payments, out-of-pocket maximums, and in-network versus out-of-network care. Knowing what's covered and what isn't can save you thousands in unnecessary expenses. Use health savings accounts, HSAs. If you have a high deductible health plan, consider opening a health savings account, HSA. These accounts allow you to save pre-tax dollars for medical expenses, reducing your taxable income and providing a dedicated pool of money for healthcare costs. Shop around for care. Yes, you can shop for healthcare just like you shop for a car or a vacation deal. Prices for the same procedure can vary widely between providers. Use tools and websites that compare costs to find the best value for your care. Next, let's talk about proactive ways to minimize healthcare expenses in the long term. Focus on preventive care. Regular checkups, vaccinations, and screenings are essential for catching potential issues early and avoiding costly treatments down the road. Most insurance plans cover preventive care at no additional cost, so take advantage of this benefit. Adopt a healthy lifestyle. While it may sound cliche, prevention is indeed better than cure. Eating a balanced diet, exercising regularly, And avoiding harmful habits like smoking can significantly reduce your risk of chronic illnesses and, by extension, your healthcare costs. Negotiate medical bills. Did you know that medical bills are often negotiable? If you receive a bill that seems unmanageable, contact the provider and ask for an itemized breakdown. Sometimes errors are made, or you might qualify for a discount or payment plan. Stay informed about assistance programs. There are numerous programs and resources available to help with healthcare costs, especially for low-income individuals or those facing significant medical bills. Research options like Medicaid, CHIP, Children's Health Insurance Program, or hospital charity care programs. Healthcare expenses don't just affect our wallets, they also take a toll on our mental health. The fear of an unexpected medical bill or the stress of dealing with ongoing expenses can create anxiety and affect your overall well-being. It's crucial to recognize the emotional impact of healthcare costs and take steps to manage this stress, whether it's through mindfulness practices, financial planning, or seeking support from friends, family, or professionals. Addressing the mental health aspect of healthcare is just as important as the financial side. As we wrap up, here are a few final tips to keep in mind. Review your healthcare plan annually to ensure it meets your needs and budget. Plan for healthcare expenses in your monthly budget, even if you're not currently facing high costs. Educate yourself about healthcare options and advocate for your needs when dealing with providers or insurers. Remember, navigating healthcare expenses is a journey. By staying informed, proactive, and mindful, you can take control of this aspect of your financial life. Thank you for tuning in to this episode of Mindful Money Matters. Healthcare costs are a significant challenge, but with the right strategies and mindset, you can minimize their impact on your personal finances. If you found today's episode helpful, please share it with a friend or family member who could benefit from this information. And don't forget to subscribe so you never miss an episode of Mindful Money Matters. Until next time, stay mindful, stay informed, and take care of your financial well-being. The Rich Toolkit Zone work every week. I'll bring to you new celebrity artists, athletes, some of the top people in their fields to give you their insights, their knowledge, and their breakthroughs. So get ready with Muhammad Shams. Make sure to subscribe and comment. Love to see what you're talking about. The Rich Toolkit Zone.